Precision International is proud to have been named a GM Supplier of the Year for 5 consecutive years by General Motors. Precision is in the bag.
When all the parts for a transmission repair kit are in-house and they've passed all of our inspection processes, we're ready to put together kits and ship them to our customers. Everything comes together on the assembly line. Here's our assembly line supervisor, Joe Cassino, to talk about this final but crucial process.
Hi, my name is Joe Cassino, and I am and have been the assembly line supervisor here at Precision International for 8 years. The assembly line is the backbone to our company. We have 4 assembly lines and can produce up to 8,000 kits per line per day. And today, I would like to share with you what we do on an everyday basis. We receive a line run sheet from upper management. This gives us a list of the kits that we need to run for the day. Once we receive this, we then generate a bills of material. This tells us the components that go inside of each kit. What we do with this is then the assembly line stages go to our well-organized stock area, and they pull the assembly line parts. The assembly line parts, along with the sub-packages that are already built, get set up on the line. This is our multi-feeder at Precision International. This lets us put the description label on the chipboard as the chipboards go down the assembly line. This makes our production move faster and our times go up. Also, it allows us to go from kit to kit with no downtime. Once the one kit is done, we can move right into the next kit. All of our description labels are controlled by the engineering department. As you can see here, we have our completed kits coming down the line. And over here, we have a quality control area. What she's doing now is an in-process inspection. This is done 1 out of every 50 kits as the line's running. But normally what we do before the line is running, we do what's called a first board inspection. This is done by all the people putting one part on their board, and as the board comes down before we start the line, it goes into QC. And the components are laid out on the QC board just to check the integrity of the parts and make sure that all the parts are in the kit before the line starts running. This is very important to keep the quality of our kits up. What we also do is we also analyze some kits to make sure that our times and we're doing the right amount of kits in a certain amount of time. And this we can look at to keep up with ISO standards. As you can see, our kits finally got to the end of the line. And what we do here is we use our bagging system to put the kits in the bag. Once the kit is sealed up, we have our boxes that are stenciled, and we use what's called the Julian date code. It gives us the exact day of the year that we built the kit. This way, if there's any problems with the kit, we have traceability, and we can look back to see exactly when we ran the kit and what might have been the problem. Also, all of our kits have a box quantity on them. This ensures that we put the same amount of kits in every box. And what he's doing now is he's counting the kits, but we also have what's called the check weighing scale. So what we'll do is when we're running thousands of kits, we can hand count the first box. We get the weight, so say the weight is 48 pounds. We don't have to hand count every box. Once he's finished, the boxes then go on the check weighing scale, and we can continue to run with no downtime.
The ISO levels Joe mentioned are set by Precision International. As shown, our 4 assembly lines can run simultaneously if necessary. That means we can handle orders of virtually any size and still deliver them on time. The production lines are the lifeline of our company.